Now, makeup becomes an integral part of the festival season. A lot of women as well as men these days are asking about ways and means or the type of products, makeup products that they should be using. Well, using makeup is definitely not an issue. What matters is what brand of makeup you use, if it suits your oily skin or dry skin, and how you remove it. So I suggest that everyone use a good branded makeup base, because that's the first thing that's going to touch your skin, and if it's not a good quality, then it can lead to a lot of side effects, irritation and rash. Always read for words like non-comedogenic, which means that this particular makeup would be suitable for people with oily skins because they will not get acne. People with dry skins usually don't have an issue because they don't get acne, so their skin complies to a lot of products and brands in the market without basic acne problems. Removing the makeup is also very important. I suggest the use of either baby oil or even coconut oil. Apply the oil, use a light or a soft cotton ball to remove the makeup particle. Wash your face with a face wash of your choice, and make sure that you apply a moisturizer before you go to sleep.
Subscribe to my channel, I Am Beautiful, for tips on essential skin and hair care. Live now, live healthy, only with Sushruta.